a video on how you can verify your JTB tin. We've done a video on how you can get your JTB tin, and now you need to know that there's a difference between FIRS and JTB. So this video basically shows how you can verify your FIRS tin number. Alright, so the verification of FIRS tin number is different from that of JTB. You know, that of JTB to show you that yes, it is registered and you've done tax forms for it. But for FIRS tin, the verification will also tell you if you've done tax forms or not, right? But for JTB, what you just need to do is that you verify if the certificate is out, if the tin number is out. But for this one, you can have the tin number and not have tax forms on it, so it will show on the FIRS tin verification portal. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that there is difference between JTB and FIRS, and one of the differences there is the validation process. So validation process for FIRS is different from that of JTB, in the sense that you have to do tax forms for FIRS tin number for it to be validated, for it to be useful, because without it, the tin number is just like a SIM without registration, and you know what a SIM without registration or activation is. It is useless. So we'll show you two portal now. We'll show you two websites that you can use to check or verify your FIRS tin number. So the first one is just very simple. You can just type FIRS tin verification on Google, and you can click on the first link. All right, and we'll be providing the two links in the description. We also have this one here, this one or this one. Sometimes this first one might not go due to network issue, so you can make use of this second one. Don't worry, we'll do the two for you to see how you can verify your tin number. So let's click on the first one. We have an FIRS tin number that is not yet verified, and we have the one that has been verified. So we'll test the two. We'll test the two for you. So this second website has already been clicked here. We've clicked it, and this is it. We've already clicked this second website. This is it. This is the first one right here. So this is the first one, and this is what it will be showing. So just go directly to the tin verification portal. You type in you enter the tin number and you verify, right? You type in the tin number and you verify. So we'll be verifying two tin numbers: the one that has done that tax forms has been done on it, and the one that doesn't have tax forms, just for you to know how it will look like, right? So let's copy this one that does not have tin number, that does not have tax forms on it. So let's copy and paste using the first website that we have right here. So, and you need to know that the only thing that you can use to verify on this portal is the tax identification number, only that. And if you are imputing it, you click on the start verification. You click on the start verification. I think it's this portal that you will have to remove the 001 at the end of it. So let's remove the 001. So we've tried it with the 001. Don't worry, the 30 and 1 at the end of it is just the indication of the FIRS tin number and the state code. So this is this one, and we've tried it too. I just want to know which of these two websites doesn't allow the code at the end of it. So we've tried the two types, and it is still showing tin not found, right? So let's make use of the second. Let's make use of the second website that we saw. So this is it here. I've already even tried it before, and as you can see here, it's showing kindly visit your tax office and register on tax forms, right? So let's try it without this one at the end of it. You click on search. It is still the same thing, right? So this tin number has not been verified. Like there's no tax, there's no validation on it. So let's make use of the one that we've done validation on it. So let's try the first website. Ctrl V, start the verification. So it is through this that we'll know which one accepts the code at the end of it. So this one accepts the code. I think it's the other one that does not accept the code, right? So this is it. This is the verification status. As you can see, we have everything here, the tax office and every other thing. It is right here. So the verification result is out, and this is actually what it will show. This is actually what it will show, and this shows that the business have done tax validation, which is called tax formats, while the other one have not yet done tax validation, right? So let's check this second one right here. What you just have to do is to paste, then you click on search. This one also allows, and this is it, and this is it. So you can just print this out like this. You can just copy it or save and print it out for your proof, or you get the letter directly from the FIRS tax office to show the validation proof. All right, and that's all that we have. If you have anything that you want us to do video on, let us know in the comment section, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.